I love this store. They have everything I need. Perfect for the Airbnbs. It's affordable, and then you're not upset when somebody tears up your stuff, right? So like people burn rugs and stuff, and you don't really feel as bad when it's like a $50 rug as opposed to like a $400 rug. So I'm doing 2 projects. I have one renovation that I'm doing. I'm turning over a rental property, and we're redoing the bathrooms and new floors, all new kitchen. We're gonna take the rent from $9.75 to $17.95. So I'm doing a full renovation on the property. So I need mirrors for the bathroom, and this is my favorite place to get mirrors. So let's look. Oh, already bingo. This is perfect. The bathrooms are small, cute, round. People can see in it. $40. I don't think I want the same for both bathrooms though. I think I'm gonna get this one for the master. It's small. The bathroom is so small. I only have a 30-inch vanity, so I don't want a mirror that's wider than 30 inches. And this one is 22, so perfect. Let's see what I can find for the guest bedroom. The hall bath. Again, it's not that big of a bathroom, so it can't be that big. But at least I could do something different, not the same mirror. Oh, this mirror, I have this mirror in my house. But it's too big for the wall in my house, but it's such a good Airbnb mirror. Perfect. It's a really good mirror. Because most of them want different texture. So I'm gonna move the one from my house to the Airbnb. But I like big mirrors on the wall at the Airbnb. It makes the space look bigger. I just need something not too extra for the bathroom. Just something that's gonna be simple, $40 mirror. I need a rectangle though, I think, yeah.
Are you looking for something specific?
I am looking for frameless. So if it's just the glass, it kind of looks a little bit more modern. And then depending on what the finishes are in the bathroom, if you get a mirror that has no color frame on it, then you can match it with anything. So I kind of try to find those. They usually have a ton of them, so keep looking. If I can't find one, that means all y'all took all my tips and y'all got them all. Now I gotta stop telling y'all stuff because I'm taking all my stuff. What? But the way life is set up, I gotta get something. So, found one. Might have to settle. This one's cute too. It's not that big. It's actually perfect size. I have brushed nickel finishes, so this will go good. It has a little bit of texture, and it's $35. Like, you just really can't beat it for a bathroom mirror. I hate like out of the box bathroom mirrors that come with vanities. I think they just look cheap when you can put $35 and it makes the bathroom look like totally different. So do that on your flips and your rentals. Just gives it more character, and it's not even like a huge investment. We're gonna go with this one and the round one. I'm spending $75. Those are my bathroom mirrors. So when you're shopping for mirrors for any of your renovation projects and any of your rental properties, always take size into consideration. You don't want the mirror overpowering the room, and then you don't want it too small either. The mirrors can be your statement pieces in your bathrooms. It adds texture. I like stuff with a little texture in it. And then you can just find something that goes with whatever the style of your renovation or your rental is. I always say $40 or less for mirrors, period, and for renovations or rental properties. I think you can find good quality mirrors for $40. You just gotta do a little bit of shopping around, whether it's in a retail store like At Home or Amazon or Home Goods. You can always find affordable mirrors. So do your research, do some shopping around, and find some stuff that you like, but always remember to consider the size.